Guys, I just need some information. Guys, hello. Guys, come on. Please. I give.
And if you come back, there's more where that came from.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do what you want.
Of course you can. You're a thespian. What's going on?
Why did I trust you, even for a second?
Just trying to protect her. Clark.
Clark. Lois, are you all right? You are all right, right?
Clark, we have to talk.
Yeah, let's get you safe first.
I'm safe now. With Lex.
What are you talking about?
Clark, we've been saved from a horrible mistake.
What mistake?
Getting married. I had doubts, but I was afraid to disappoint you, our parents. I couldn't even face you, so that's why I hid here, pretending to be Wanda. But the truth is that I'm just not the type to get married. I need to go away and sort things out.
Go? Where?
Wherever Lex takes me. Seeing him again has brought back all my old feelings.
What old feelings?
I love him.
Lois, you don't mean this. What about me?
I don't love you. Now, Clark, I'm leaving. And if you love me as much as you say you do, you'll just let me go.
Tough break, old man. And I hope you handle it with dignity. I don't know yet what you've done to her, but I will find out. And I will bring Lois back. And if I have to go right through you to do it, I will. I promise you.
My. That sounds like a threat, Clark. My woman doesn't take kindly to threats. Dear, you were magnificent.
I tell you, I could have been an actress. Who is this Lois, anyway?
Someone better off forgotten.
Well, I guess it's just you and me.